For Brooklyn bound service, you could transfer at 14th Street for the L, the N, the Q, the R, or the W for Brooklyn bound service. You could transfer for Brooklyn bound service will be Fulton Street.
The need to report an issue to the police. The NYPD is located at the station.
As you exit, please be careful of the gap between the platform and the train. Transfer is available to the 6L, N, Q, R, and W trains.
Transfer is available to the M14 Select Bus Service.